Welcome to Networks Professionals.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're doing something really cool. We're unpacking the incredibly complex AI architecture that literally powers autonomous vehicles. We're going to demystify how this cutting-edge tech actually mimics our own human biology to navigate the open road. Okay, let's dive into this with the really foundational idea. AI is the brain of autonomous vehicles. We'll be using this specific metaphor to anchor our entire narrative today. It's all about understanding that digital mind sitting right behind the wheel. Section 1. The brain of autonomous vehicles. Let's see how this digital mind actually processes information. So, right at the core of this system, we have what are called deep neural networks. Think of these as the vehicle's cognitive center. Rather than just collecting data, their main job is sensor fusion. They take massive, messy streams of raw, real-time data and instantly stitch them together into one unified understanding of reality. And this cognitive center, it operates in a relentless millisecond-by-millisecond loop, moving through 3 distinct steps: perception, prediction, and planning. The AI is just constantly taking in the world, guessing what's going to happen next, and then plotting a course of action, literally thousands of times every single minute. Section 2. Perception, the car's eyes. Imagine for a second the exact moment a vehicle opens its digital eyes. Well, the vehicle relies on a highly redundant suite of hardware eyes: cameras, LiDAR, and radar. These tools work together perfectly to cover each other's blind spots. The cameras handle color and reading signs, the LiDAR provides this perfect 3-dimensional depth, and the radar just cuts right through bad weather. They never, ever blink, and they're constantly feeding spatial data right back to the brain. You might be wondering, what are they actually looking for? These sensors are actively locking onto specific detection targets. We're talking lane markings to maintain position, traffic signals to control flow, and unpredictable obstacles to avoid. By combining all of these elements, the AI constructs a highly accurate 3D map of its surroundings entirely in real time. Which brings us to Section 3, prediction, forecasting pedestrian behavior. Because merely seeing the environment just isn't enough. The AI brain has to anticipate the future. To do that, to actually anticipate the future, the vehicle relies on machine learning models. This essentially acts as the car's intuition. It isn't just reacting to a pedestrian standing on the sidewalk, it's mathematically calculating their trajectory, their speed, even their body language to forecast whether they might suddenly step out into the street before it even happens. Section 4, planning, the decision-making algorithms. So the crucial point is, this is exactly where anticipation transforms into deliberate action. Decision-making algorithms compute safe trajectories by carefully weighing countless variables in just a fraction of a second. The AI runs thousands of hypothetical scenarios instantly, all to mathematically determine the path of absolute least risk. Ultimately, those billions of calculations funnel down into just 3 physical outputs: steering, braking, and acceleration. The digital brain's entire purpose culminates in these tangible, real-world controls. Exactly where to point the wheels, exactly when to stop, and exactly when to go. Section 5. The horizon of autonomy. Because you see, this 3-step anatomical loop we just covered, that's really just the gateway to understanding a massive, evolving industry. If you want to push past the basics and deeply understand the underlying technology and classification levels in depth, I highly recommend checking out the Autonomous Vehicles Fact Sheet from the University of Michigan. It is an absolutely fantastic deep dive. Because the deeper you go, the more questions arise. Like, are you looking for specific autonomous car companies? The corporate race between giants like Tesla or Waymo is completely redefining transportation, and it's endlessly fascinating to explore their unique approaches to this exact AI loop. Or do you want to explore how the SAE levels of driving automation work? It's super vital to grasp these technical classifications to understand how much control the human actually retains versus handing power over to the digital brain. Or maybe you're researching the intricate balance between hardware limitations and software components. With all of these avenues available, the real question is, how will you narrow down your topic as you continue your research into the future of driving?
Thanks for watching.